Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
As we discussed, we will study more than 28 ICT initiatives. The first, the NDL, National Digital Library, initiated by Ministry of Human Resource Development of India under the NME-ICT in 2015. It's 24/7 enabled to open resource library for all learner, all level, all subjects. Designed and developed by Indian Institute of Kharagpur, established its Northeast Center in Lakshdeep Mizoram Central Library Institute of Technology of Guwahati. Can be accessed through device, connect to the internet. National Digital Library of India, 1.87 crore content available, 180 plus premium sources, 200 plus language content available, 35 lakh registered user, and 6,000 higher education organization register and use this NDL project and using National Digital Library. Where is NDL Library? Available 24/7, anytime, anywhere, anywhere. NDL Library, the web link is ndl.iitkgp.ac.in. I'll also download Android app as well as App Stores, Apple. Okay. Homepage of NDL Library. You can register by user ID, email ID, and your category. Homepage, institutional registration also available, sponsored, contact, FAQ. The main about NDL project, we'll discuss the National Digital Library, the learning resources, how many subject domain, by feature of source, news and event. How to use NDL, free to join us. You, by email, you will register and go to institutional register also. His own device, allow to customize learning content meeting in your needs. This is registration form. The mail ID, name, password, date of birth, state, city, educational roles, UG, PG, non-technical, technical, lifelong learner, languages. How to browse content by subject, by type, subject, source, and learning resources. The repository hosts from multiple subject domains like IIT, technological science, arts and humanity, natural science, applied science, mathematical science. Okay. These content search how many types? Text, material, audio, image, video, presentation, animation, simulation, and application. Search types of providing content, types of component, we call as a types of research, article, audio, video, lecture, book, question, paper, thesis, and video lecture. This is number of figure or content are available in NDL, National Digital Library. Self-assessment, serial control, series, simulations, standard, survey, syllabus, synopsis, teacher's manual, technical manual, technical report, thesis, etc. Okay. When we try to physical chemistry, so we have advanced search option text. We require text, so we can by filter type, by text, by video, by audio, simulation, image, animation, and presentation. Also by subject, advanced search, resources from university, 4-level language, and types of resources. Okay. Electronic engineering, 4-degree BTech, BE, BSc, BA. You have educational category wise. Engineering, civil engineering, technology, where we go for technology, so we have 24 parameters for technological learning disciplinary. So we will start by one to one. The NPTEL technology, education level. Also, we are access the video, full course content. This video of IIT Bangalore, IIS Bangalore, from data harvesting for NPTEL project. This is video lecture format. We also J mains exam, old paper, gate preparations, graduate student textual material also available. JAM, UPSC and civil service for the content are available. Engineering, we will do. We require the whole content available in common platform, so we need to use the Digital Library of India. Okay, this is text material. The previously Honorable Education Minister Prakash Javadekar sir, various time he's talk about the NDL, free to learning for all learners. The main object, National Digital Library, the application in Play Store. This is website and website view, the user point of view, subject domain, learning resource type, feature sources. Though we will go for filtering also available in these types, search, UG, PG, career, technical, apply, browse, we have facility to content download facility. Okay. Also your social media inclusive the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. Join the National Digital Library open door to learner content can be customized to your learning needs. Let's together and you can visit our NDL website. One more project is for content for postgraduate student. Ministry of HRD and NME-ICT allocate 70 subject content development, e-content development for the 70 postgraduate subject. These content for art, social science, humanity, natural science, linguistics, applied science, and mathematics. This project known as EPG Pathshala. The EPG Pathshala, MHRD, NME-ICT allocate 70 subject content for postgraduate level. For across the India, mainly content developed. What is the content volume of what? 70 subject, one subject under 16 paper, 16 paper under 35 module, so under one subject, 16 paper, 516 modules. Why 16 paper? Why 30 to 35 modules? Whenever we are join the postgraduate course, so we completely pass out the 20 paper. In 20 paper, 4 paper are each and every semester the elective subject. The elective subject, each and every semester one is elective subject. And total 4 semester, each semester 5 paper. In 5 paper, so 5 into 4, the 20. The 20 course we need to pass out from postgraduate. Each any master degree. But in the case of each and every semester, we need one paper pass out. The core subject, other subject, not core subject of their subject category. The core subject, as an example, professional ethics, research methodology, disaster management. So many subjects offered by every university. So each and every semester, one subject are the elementary subject. So that here 16 paper develop, whenever we are complete the one subject, we need to pass out the 30 to 35 module, 30 to 35 units. So in one subject, 16 paper under the each paper, 30 to 35 module. So one subject under 516 module, the volume of modules. One module, one topic, comparison in 4 quadrant. 4 paper is semester 2 year. E-text, self-learning, self-assessment, learn more. E-text, textual material, self-learning audio and video, self-assessment question, and learn more for future references. Input required the content writer. This is content writer, basically all are a professor on faculties. So the input, what input required for the content development in four subjects, in four quadrants. One, the lecture on topic, the textual material. Lecture through PPT. 4 video module, we require the one PPT script for the video. Third one is examining student and quiz section. So prepare PPT in Word and MCQ following the true and false are the motivational student, the more study. Therefore, the teamwork. We discussed one subject on the 16 paper on each paper on the 30 to 35 modules. This is team of content development. Subject head, principal or investigator, paper course head, paper coordinator, and paper coordinator assigned to 30 to 35 modules. What is CR and LE? CR matlab content reviewer. LE means language editor. All content are reviewed and language editor. This is team for the content development, team 1 and team 2. Okay. Course outline. Self-learning, including text, video file with graphical institution, voice narration. The student understand in the concept of efficiency, listening or watching video and animation. Second is text material. The textual material with graphic and elaboratory concept. The self-assessment. Self-assessment, multiple choice question, true and false, sequences, match the colon, and fill in the blank. And learn more. Glossary, timeline, web referencing, interface, the website, the current status of the content, the visit implement website. Under the EPG Pathshala, below subject are developed for postgraduate student, adult education, analytical anthropology, science-based subject, language subject, also special performing arts content, visual arts. So many Nobel person develop the content. The one Nobel winner, the Parul Shah developed the performing arts contents. The one of the best research university in India, JNU developed the Urdu, Spanish, Chinese subject content, also German. The language university flow will develop the subject content for the postgraduate student under EPG parts. Now we discuss for another initiative. Before that, we will discuss the how many organizations involved in this content development, which organization, which types of organization, institution, the central university, state university, and deep university develop the content for the EPG parts. Okay. One is CEC project. The way learn about the postgraduate student. Same thing, the content developed for undergraduate student. CEC is develop this content. The CEC will develop the content for the undergraduate student across the India. The Autonomous Inter-University Center, developed in 1993, CEC. CEC managed the various CMRC centers across the India in various universities, some in state universities, some in central university. The all immersive center and CEC are developed. So many content for the undergraduate student. CEC content. CEC interpret the develop the digital learning for UG non-technical course under the ICT. CEC developed 87 undergraduate subject content with 24,110 modules. All content is developed in 4 quadrants. as per UGC model, syllabus and curriculum, text, video, paper the expert, and all content developed in-house product to various EMRCs. The course will be supplemented teaching, learning, and resource explained to us. One more university, INPTEL, National Program Technology Enhanced Learning. The joint initiative of 5 IITs and IIT Bangalore. Initiative start in 2003. This URL nptl.ac.in. Concept of learning anytime, anywhere, anywhere. NPTEL developed 1,440 plus courses available for self-learning. His presidential award winner project, IC Bangalore and IITs. This 24th various engineering disciplinary subject content under this project. Aerospace, atmosphere science, basic course, biotechnology, chemical engineering, chemistry, biochemistry, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronic communication, engineering designing, environmental science, general courses for the one and more course available this for generals course, humanity and social science, management, mathematics, mechanical engineer, maturity and material science, mining and engineering, nanotechnology, ocean engineering, physics, textile engineering. All contented to face the web-based content, video content, PDF, HTML. The format PDF download in design is web format. Also, video file available. Some video shooting classroom, some video courses, MP4, 3GP, FLV file also available, and some titles available. The highlight of this project, we discovered 1,440 courses, 80% user of across India, 400 million website views in a day, 50 GB data download every day, 40,000 video hours, 33,000. One project is SWAYAM. Still that government major focus on SWAYAM and SWAYAM. We discuss what is SWAYAM. SWAYAM is an online platform designed to provide a full course study at home, and you can adopt this course and you can take certificate and credit for it. In some case, so many lifelong learner students are interested to study more from other than subject where his course content available. There is a massive online open access course network. There's so many subject content are available for the postgraduate, diploma, undergraduate. SWAYAM is mostly platform by MHR. Massive course across all subject domain. Course for school, university, certificate credit. Now, who is player and who is contributor? UGC, CEC, IGNOR, NPTEL, NCRT, NIOS, IIM Bangalore, and NITEL organization. The national coordinator. Who is national coordinator? The national coordinator sector. UGC non-technical postgraduate program, NPTEL. Technical engineering UG/PG degree program. CEC Consortium for Education and Communication non-technical UG degree program. IGNOR, the diploma and certificate. NCRT, school education from 9 to 12, and I was school education from 9 to 12 for open schooling. IIM Bangalore management program, and NITEL technical training program. Junior. The teacher stakeholder and responsibility. teacher the create course, create content, define course, start course, assist teacher and exam preparation, learner enroll from user, student for course, interface with teachers, and appear in exam and get certificate. The SWAYAM is fast growing popularity inline course needed platform for higher education and stability performance in India. The need to additional feature and faculty and student in integration NPTEL and much NPTEL course. Key feature, higher capability and performance, enhanced future for faculty and students, improve assessment and evaluation, internalizations and translating to Indian language, local chapter mentor and offering online degree. Also translation providing multiple languages for students. We have possible integrated with conventional education, credit transfer by university. Already 125 university approved refresher program teaching with admit through a PIT. The course enrollment ratio and numbering. UGC credit transfer framework. The one resolution passed in 2014 and 16. 16. For the credit transfer framework, to SWAYAM regulation 2016. Learning course, online learning course will be available SWAYAM notification from June to 1st November starting credit transfer permitted to credit transfer and choice your course. You can 20% course adopt from SWAYAM as per UGC rules and regulation 2016. Step by produced and adopted by university for adopting new platform. First, university through the component authority, EC Academic Council and Board of Study should make amendment in the ordinance rules and regulation to incorporate to provisional transfer credit move to your UGC regulations. Section 2, you are select the course. Select the course to be permitted to credit transfer to SWAYAM. As an example, course in high demand, which faculty not available, and elective course supplement in teaching learning, while ensuring you that physical facility like laboratory, computer facility to required course be made available free for student and acquired to measure it. Step 2, disseminated information. The university should be widely disseminated information selected to the student to famous workshop university. Step 2 continue. Step 5 course registration. University facilitate register to every student enroll the course in the university must register for the MOOC course. Step 6 host organization shall evaluate the student UGC course. Should we discuss forum size, queries, assessment, sessional, the final examination, the university to assist host institution conduct the final exam. Mark of student. University shall incorporate mark, grade, and communication by host institute. Count award for degree diploma. However, university shall be evaluate the student the practical lab at Step 6, the certificate. Final object. Once received, books complete certificate from the host organization equivalent to credit transfer up to 20% to MOOCs file courses. UGC MOOCs. The course introductory video 5 to 7 minute week-wise work and a week-wise task analysis. The video quality, text content, module size, various the e-content development parameters and standard. the video duration, credit transfer.